What's up, Pigeons? So for the final race, they released the open at 11:30 and the classic was at 11:15. So should be some late returns. The only good thing is I'm off work now and I get to enjoy my Friday night with the birds. So these two guys, they came back late, missed shipping. Here we got a third rounder. This is Bloody Wing's little sibling. And he is back today, so that's pretty nice to see. He got lost during the New Virginia race last weekend. And it took him a week to get back, but you can officially say it's a 250 bird for a late third round that barely had any training. So yeah, I'll say that's kind of a win on that part. But we got cloudy southeast wind, so and it was it was raining kind of throughout the day, so might be another smash. But hopefully we start seeing some birds within the next hour or two. On Benzing Live, the birds kind of rated at 1,500 right now. I'll say the winning bird probably be coming in around the 1,200, 1,100. Whoever gets that bird should be most likely the winner. So within the next hour, we should see a bird. All right. Well, here's our update. 8:20. No birds. I believe a lot of the Minnesota guys, or even all of the Minnesota guys, got no birds too. We had rough weather this morning with rain down in Iowa, and it was a late release too. Open was opened at 11:30, or released at 11:30. Classic was 11:15, and I think along the way back they got hit with a storm, which probably blew all the birds off course, probably causing another smash race this week. So it's gonna be a matter of first bird back tomorrow. I think if anybody clocked any birds today, any day birds, they pretty much had a good chance of winning. But as of right now, I'm gonna get the flag all set up for tomorrow morning, and hopefully we can wake up to some birds clocking in. So I might come out here and then camp again. I had a little fire going, waiting on the birds after work. But it was kind of low chance of birds coming back today, but it was worth a shot. At least got time to relax a bit. As of right now, we're gonna call it a night. It's pitch black, and wait again in the morning. All right, so it's the following day, 7:15. Foggy morning, raining warning. So it's gonna be a tough one for these birds. But as of right now, we're all just gonna pretty much hope we get some birds back. All right, it's about 3:35. Today is Saturday, the day after the race. And we only got 2 birds back. As of right now, birds that came back is, where are you? This one. First bird back is 94. That's Grandpa's kid. The second bird back is Chippewa 13570. That's Big B times Omega 42. That's all we got. What's up, pigeons? Do a little quick update on our Lamoni, Iowa race. We are having a tough time over here. This is the day after the race, and we only got 2 birds back. So we got the first bird, which is 135.74 at 12:51. That's the first bird in the open. That's Grandpa's kid right here. 135.70. That was at 127, and that is Chippewa. Let's go right here. So those are the only 2 birds we got back from the 300 mile. And I don't think we score anything serious. Right now it's just a matter of getting birds back and having a 300-mile bird. But these 2, great job. You guys did great. It was raining all day yesterday and raining all morning. But same situation with everybody, and these are the only 2 I got as of right now. So hopefully I get at least 1 classic bird in, and we'll be set. All right, so as you can see, it's late already, about 7:19. Pitch blackout, stormy weather. And this is the second day of the 300 mile, and we only got 3 birds that has returned so far, and they're all from the open race. So first bird is 135.74, second is 135.70, and 135.80. That is Driver, just showed up not too long ago. But here we go. It's kind of dark, but we'll make it do. This is Driver, 135.80. The third bird. Here we have 135.70. That is Chippewa, our second bird. And this is our first bird, 135.74, and that is Grandpa's kid. So these 3 has earned the 300 miles reputation in my loft now, and they are not day birds, but they are second days. So probably hold on to these guys and make do with them, since they are my first 300 birds, or 300 mile birds. These 2 are only considered 250. They did not race, so we'll see what I do with those guys. And as of right now, I'm just gonna clock birds again tomorrow, and hopefully we get some birds back for the morning. Hoping to see some classic and some more of the open. So nice job, birds. You guys did great. All right, so last update on the Lamoni race. I'm gonna be sending in my results. Today is Monday, September 25th, 2023. As in for the open, we got 4 out of 10. We got 135.74, that is Grandpa's kid. 135.70, that is Big B and Omega 42. 135.80, that is Driver, and that is Alpha 41 times 14.531's kid. And here we got Brown Neck, 135.77. So little man's gonna be happy that his bird is back. And as in for the classic, we only got 1 out of 4. So 13582, that's the Van Reet. So I'm gonna be sending in my evaluations and finalize the race results. Take one last quick look at the birds. The 300-mile club. Here we got 13580. That's driver. 13570. That's the chipping one. 13582. Van Reet. And here we got Grandpa's Kid, first bird back. 13594. 84, 94. 135. 74. So 13574. That's Grandpa's Kid. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. And brown neck's down here. Brown neck's been gone for a couple of days, so he's kind of recovering from it. 13577. That's brown neck. Oh, nice job, birds. You guys have officially made the 300 club. This guy, 13571, 250. Black Thunder is a 250. Those two didn't fly the final race, but they are still here, so they dodged one. And that's it.